Good day guys, welcome. Today I'm showing you how to log in into the CTBC Bank online banking and how to create an account if you're new. So first, for logging in, open your browser and go to the website that I'm on right now. As you can see, it's the same site, official one, it's the main hub. Pick your region, like the USA one for example, or the Canada, then click online banking. As you can see, I'm already on the page that is required. This is going to be the login page where you will have to enter your ID and password. These come from when you signed up and hit login. New device. You might need an OTP from your phone, punch that in and you're good to go. So step 2, set up an account. For example, click personal banking on the USA website. I am on the USA website as well. And then click on personal banking and open an account. You'll need the email, phone number, and ID, like a social security number for the US or SIN for Canada. Fill in your details, agree to the e-consent terms, and submit. Some regions let you finish online, others, like the Philippines, need the CTBC app. Search for the CTBC Bank PH on your App Store. So after that, get online bank rolling. Once your account's active, download the mobile app for your region and tap sign up. Use your new account number and a one-time code sent to your phone or email. Set a user ID and password. Make it 8+ characters, strong and unique. Verified, and you're ready to log in anywhere. That's it, guys. That's how it's done. Pro tip, save your login somewhere safe. Not on a shared device. Logs in yet? Drop your story below. Like and subscribe, guys. See you in the next one.